Kenya hoye! Jameni wananchi, nchi yetu ya Kenya ni fire si fire. Jameni wananchi, rais wetu William Ruto ni fire si fire. Kwa mara ya mwisho, wananchi wa Kenya ni fire si fire. Mr. President William Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of our Defense Forces, First Lady Rachel Ruto, the Visiting Head of State, the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Mahama, all dignitaries present, all protocols observed. Mr. President, this generation will never pay fully the sacrifice and the debt of those who paid the ultimate price and sacrifice for the independence of our country. Mr. President, fellow Kenyans, we will also not pay fully the debt imposed on us by those who fought for the expansion of the civil and political liberties that we enjoy today. The last thing I want to say, Mr. President, before I invite a few guests to say hi in 1 minute, is to say, as we move into the future of our country, building on the foundation of those who fought for the freedom and liberty of our country, building on the hard work of those who fought for the expansion of civil and political liberties that we enjoy today. We look forward, under your leadership, Mr. President, to firm up on that foundation and that hard work and expand on the empowerment and the socio-economic liberty for the people of Kenya. And therefore, going into the future, we will push under your leadership for a country where all its citizens do not just enjoy the freedom of expression and the freedom of the media, but they also enjoy freedom from hunger, freedom from sickness, and freedom from all the dangers that threaten human survival, especially poverty and the other economic perils that endanger our sustainability and our survival. Mr. President, before I invite you, allow me to give 2 people 1 minute each to say hi and to say jambo. And I want to recognize all the dignitaries present today. The President of the Republic of Ghana will be introduced by his counterpart and host, President William Ruto. But allow me, Mr. President, to recognize the following dignitaries who are present and joining us today in this auspicious occasion.